how to download and install CapCut app. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the CapCut app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this amazing video editing app. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in CapCut and search for it. Select the first search result for CapCut, then tap the install button. The CapCut app will now begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Simply tap open, grant all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to start video editing on CapCut. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install CapCut on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.